Hey guys, it's John from Tools That Build, and today we're going to check out one of the most used tool in every shop, sander. This is Dewalt's brand new cordless brushless sanders, the DCW 200 and 210B, so let's go check them out. Alright, first we'll start with the cordless brushless random orbital sander, model DCW 210B. Sander comes with no battery, comes with just the sander and a dust bag. Dust bag locks on with a one-handed twist. The sander has a variable speed dial to control speeds of 8,000 to 12,000 OPM. The lower are obviously for softer woods and the higher for more hardwoods. The sander is compatible with standard 8-hole hook and loop sandpaper. Just sticks right onto the Velcro on the bottom. If improved dust extraction is one of the things you're after, we'll get more into that later. You can add an adapter to connect a standard vacuum to the port on the sander. It just locks into place just like the bag. One of the reasons I like this sander more than the competitions is the almost instant pad break. Next, I'm going to show you just how effective the dust collection is using only the bag. Set the sander to 5. As you can see, it works pretty good at picking up most of the fine dust. Now the most important part, obviously, how well the sander actually sands. Using 120 grit, you can see how long it takes to remove a pencil mark from some Baltic birch plywood. The sander has fairly low vibrations for being a cordless sander, and it moves pretty smooth. Up next is the brand new cordless brushless sheet sander model DCW 200B. Similar to the orbital sander, comes bare tool with only the sander and the locking dust bag, but this one also includes a paper punch for dust collection. Sander can only accept a maximum 5 amp hour battery due to the short dust chute. However, the Dewalt has released an additional chute for purchase to accommodate larger batteries if you're into that. They made installing the sandpaper on the sander pretty easy. You just unclip these two little side tabs, swing them away, and then take the sandpaper and push the one-handed button in the front. Push the paper in, fold it over, and reclip the tabs in. Similar to any sheet sander, you can buy large sandpaper sheets and trim them to fit, or buy pre-cut ones like I'm using here. Next, you can take the included plastic punch, put the corner hooks on the corner of the sander, firmly push down. It's pretty easy to do, and this will give you your dust extraction holes. There we go. Sheet sanders are great sanders for finishing work. They don't leave swirls, and typically sheet paper is cheaper than hook and loop paper. Same as the orbital sander, the sheet sander has the feature I like with the almost instant pad break. Just like the orbital sander, I've been really happy with the dust collection on this sander. I'm going to show that the sander is also very effective at picking up the finer dust, level 5, using only the bag. As you can see, it does it pretty quickly and fairly well. Using 120 grit sandpaper, the sheet sander removes the lines on the plywood really well. Again, the sander also runs pretty smooth on most tasks. Takes the sheet sander a little longer to remove the lines, but it is a nicer finish than the orbital. I've had these sanders both in the shop and out. Cutting the cord and going cordless has made moving from task to task much easier. I'm overall pretty happy with these sanders, and I think you will be too. Thanks for watching. Please leave any questions below. If you want to see any more reviews like this, please subscribe.